special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for the coastal waters from Cape Canaveral to Sebastian Inlet out to 20 nautical miles until 7:30 Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a large cluster of thunderstorms, producing strong winds over 34 knots approaching Cocoa Beach and extending southward to west of Melbourne, moving east at 15 knots. These storms may also contain frequent cloud-to-water lightning. These thunderstorms will likely produce winds over 34 knots and locally rough seas. Small craft, especially those under sail, should move to a safe harbor if possible. Make sure you and your crew are wearing approved flotation devices during these hazardous conditions. As these storms cross the intracoastal waters and barrier island communities, then over the Atlantic, they will produce strong gusty winds, rough seas, heavy downpours and dangerous lightning. Try to avoid these storms if possible. If you get caught offshore, make sure all safety gear is available and life jackets are being worn by you and your crew.